Hi, my name is Gabriel Cortes. I'm testing a myth. Went ahead and found this on Snopes.com. It reads, sneezing 7 times in a row is the same as an orgasm. I'm going to tell you guys right now, I'm completely allergic to cats. Sometimes it gets really hard to breathe. I feel like I'm going to pass out. It depends. So, yeah. So basically what I did was hung out at my friend's house. She's got this little kitten. Seriously though, I'm starting to sweat and itch. And that.
As long as you're here, I'll be free. As long as you stay, I won't. Just hold me, I'll love you. Close your eyes, I'm all you see.
Definitely not an orgasm.
As long as you're here, I'll be free. As long as you stay, I won't. Just hold me, I'll love you. Close your eyes, I'm all you see.
All in all, I would say the myth is definitely false. Aside from not having an orgasm, I want to say I nearly had to go and get some allergy medication. I still haven't taken any. My eyes are still kind of puffy. My nose is definitely still running. Itchy, and I've already taken 2 showers. I won't be petting another kitten.